So before I show you the setting, I'm going to explain you the parameter we use in the controller. So first you have a temperature 1. So for us it will be 50 degree, and temperature 2 will be 49. So you want the temperature to oscillate between 50 and 49 like this. So in the controller we're gonna enter this temperature. It's going to be F1 in the controller, but you're not gonna enter T2. You're gonna enter the difference between T1 and T2. So it's gonna be this 1 degree, and this is F2 in the controller. Et voilà. Now we can try to put the air dryer. Yeah, it fits perfectly. This will provide airflow, and I think there I'm gonna put a deflector, metal deflector, to make sure that the air go up. I don't want to heat too much this part, so I will deflect the air upward. So I didn't have metal, so I use a piece of plastic instead for the deflector. I think it's gonna work just fine. So we have the temperature controller, we have the air dryer, the deflector. The last thing to do is to drill a hole for the temperature sensor. So normally the best place should be in the center, but I think I'm not gonna put this in the center. Probably in the middle there. That's not the best place to get the temperature, but I think it will end up somewhere there in the middle. Should be fine. And also the very last step will be to drill a hole there to let the hot air escape at the top. So I'm gonna do it right now. Finish. So I'm gonna cover that with some net to prevent ants and insects to go inside the box. I was a bit afraid first because it's not completely sealed, you see, so insect can get inside, but I think with the temperature we're gonna have like between 50 and 60 degrees, so I think every insect will escape or will die. It will not go inside, it's too hot, so I think it's gonna be fine. This is what I made for the air evacuation. One piece of wood I will cover with some metal mesh, another piece of wood on top. I'm gonna put some screw and put that on the box. I think I will allow it to rotate so I can adjust the airflow. I will try that. And just screw it now. Finish. So now I'm gonna have to fix that. I don't know how, but I think just a screw there, so we'll be able to rotate like that. Should be enough. So last step, I'm gonna drill the hole for the sensor, temperature sensor. So go to the middle of the box. Let's see. I need to go there. It's time for taste, so I'm gonna taste with mango and a few banana. So let's see. So I calculate that you stay the air dryer stay on for about 20 seconds and you stop for about 30 seconds. So I think it's good because it's gonna have time to cool down and not using too much electricity. I also fix my temperature regulator with this. Adjustable flap is 50% open. And that's it.